Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure RSA SecurID easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin configuring RSA SecurID, launch your web browser. Navigate to the RSA SecurID setup page. Log in using your administrator credentials. Once logged in, locate the configuration tab in the top menu. Click on the Authentication Methods option. Here, select Token to start configuring token settings. Choose Add Token from the options presented. Enter the necessary token details, including the token name and type. Next, enter the unique serial number for the token. Specify the user to which the token will be assigned. Save your changes to register the token. Now, navigate to the Users section in the main menu. Select Add User to create a new user profile. Fill in the required user information, such as name and email address. Assign the previously added token to this user. Click Save to finalize the user account setup. Next, configure the authentication policy. Navigate back to the Configuration tab. Select Authentication Policy from the drop-down menu. Choose the appropriate policy type based on your organization's needs. Ensure that the new user and token settings are included in this policy. Save any changes made to the policy. Now, proceed to test the configuration. Log out of the administrative account. Attempt to log in as the new user with the assigned token. Enter the token code when prompted. Confirm that access is granted successfully. If successful, you have configured RSA SecurID correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.